Good morning, YouTubies. Today we're going to learn a special breakfast treat that you can add to your repertoire of recipes and such. The main part of this recipe is going to be Twinkies. Good old-fashioned Twinkies. Do you remember the Twinkie the Kid? I don't. So that's going to be the main part of this is going to be the Twinkie. We're going to have toppings. For toppings, we've got Aunt Jemima pancake mix, or pancake syrup. And we got, of course, some chicken frank Weens. These are going to be the source of protein. So if you've ever had, I believe they're called like pigs in a blanket. In my family, we always had this. It was kind of like Weens in a twink. So I'll show you how to make it. Get ourselves a little plate. Get ourselves some sort of blade. And let's get one of these Weens out. Yep. Remember to store your Weens in Ziploc bag, throw it back in the fridge, because you'll probably be wanting to make a lot more of these. Then we need to fish ourselves out a Twinkie. Now, these are golden sponge cake with a creamy filling. So, they last forever pretty much. So, this you're going to maybe add this to your survival foods. So, let's get this Twinkie out. I need some assistance. There we go, intact Twinkie. You see the 3 cream punctures? That's normal. So, I'm not just going to stick a cold Ween in here. We got to cook it first. So, let's get over there. So, I'm going to use some butter. I just sliced a bit of butter, and that's going to be to add to the flavor of the Ween, the sausage, the pig, whatever you want to call it. Come on, there we go. Let's heat that up a little bit. Get a little zoom in action going. There we go. So we need this to melt a little bit first. Spin it around. Wipe all the surfaces with it, and then place the Ween right on top. We want it to kind of go on a little journey. Come on, there we go. So, great source of protein in this. So the Ween has broken through the butter, and now we're starting to cook it. Oops. Slippery little bugger. Try and get the tail wag. So we're going to need a paper towel to kind of like degrease this sucker. While we're at it, I'm going to add a little secret ingredient. You don't have to get a whole lot, but I got a spoon of sugar, and I'm going to just carefully tap that on there. Sugar up that dog, that Ween, that Frank. Everyone's got a different word for it. Nice, tipped for me. Now you could use sausages for this, but I didn't have any. I generally just have a lot of Weens. It's looking pretty good now. Let's turn that off. Transfer it to a paper towel. Squeeze it a little bit. There we go. Nice sugary warmed up Ween. Now we've got our the Ween finished. Now let's deal with this Twinkie. So I take the twink, and I like to chop off the edges. So you want to kind of go. So it's not like a quarter, maybe a little less than a quarter on both sides. It's okay if you got some spillage. I see that. see. We may need to zoom in a little bit. Let's try to get this good for everyone. Hell yeah. So, we've cut the twink. And don't worry about losing some of the cream. And you just kind of jam the ween through. Oh, we're getting some breakage. Come here. It's kind of hot. It's burning my hand. Okay, so we've got the ween through here. Should I put the other side on? And the other side. And voila! You've got yourself a nice al dente meal. Let's go for the, oh, I almost forgot. We didn't even finish the topping. Let me clean this crap off my hands. What am I thinking? It wouldn't be finished without some Aunt Jemima. Beautiful. Beautiful. Does it get better than that, folks? I don't think so. I can't wait to test this. So we can finish our breakfast now, YouTubies. Time for the taste test. Grab your ween. It's looking pretty good. Let's come in here for the close shot. Mmm. 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 It's good. It's really good. Just like I remember them. It's sweet. It's meat. What can you do? You can't beat. Get some of that excess slop came off. Mmm. Very good. Mmm. It's almost what they say. What? Finger licking good? Finger sucking good? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Try it for yourself. It's a perfect breakfast meal. Until next time, YouTubies. Keep it al dente.